Are you facing LinkedIn verification issues such as identity verification, workplace verification, educational institution verification? In this video, I will show you the link where you can solve these issues. Simply link is linkedin.com/help/linkedin/ask/ravel. Simply you just need to copy the link and then paste in your browser. And I will try my best to attach this link in description. And now you can see that if you would like to verify your identity to recover your account access, so simply you just need to click on this link and you can read the article. And if your LinkedIn account is compromised or if your LinkedIn account is hacked, simply you just need to click on this link and you can also read the article. And if you have lost the access of your email address or account, simply you just need to click on this link. You can also read the article. And how to fill this link? Simply you just need to write your alternative email address, and from here which type of verification do you need. For example, if you need a identity verification, so simply you just need to click on identity verification. And if you want to solve the issue of workplace verification, simply you just need to click on workplace verification. And if you are facing issue with educational institution verification, simply you just need to click here. And which third party provide you using to verify your identity, and now here you just need to click. For example, if you are trying to persona and persona is not verify your identity, then you just need to click on persona. Normally persona is also the third party that verify your identity. If in your country different, maybe a DigiLocker, you can choose according to your requirement. And please select the option most closely to match. And now different options are available, like your name is not matched with your ID card or passport, driving license. You can choose according to your requirement. If some technical error, some technical issues, for example, if you upload your ID card, passport or driving license, it shows some errors, you just need to click on technical errors. So different reasons are available. You can choose all these reasons according to your requirement. For example, I don't see option to verify with the persona, so simply you just need to click on I don't see the option to verify the persona. So different options are available. You can choose all these options according to your requirement. And if you have any other option, you just need to write your questions, or you can also attach your PDF files or images, and after this you just need to click on submit. So hope you understand how to solve the issue of identity verification, workplace verification, educational institution verification. So if you have any question related to this, you can ask me in the comments, and you can also follow me on our LinkedIn, and you can send me a directly message. Thank you for watching this video.